Symbols are nothing without the women and men that give them meaning. And this thing, I don't know if there's ever been a greater symbol.
The building of character. And this film is intended to empower you and to study your own nature so far intellectually. If you're able to master the principles shared in this film and learn to cooperate with nature and your own evolution, you will increase your mental stature and character. And I hope that with a better understanding of your own intellectual nature, this may lead to a more purposeful cultivation of what is good in it and eradicate what is evil. This will be a deliberate self-training towards an aim that is definitely recognized. And when we commit to the making of the character, you realize to some extent what you ought to be, and you strive more or less effectively to become that which you aspire to achieve.
You feel like you were meant for something better, something special. Enlist in Starfleet.
You are fully capable of deciding your own destiny. The question you face is, which path will you choose?